Okay, so we have our mushroom stems finely chopped, and we have our caps here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to chop our onion and our garlic. So let's start with our garlic. All we need really is 1 clove, which is great. So what we're going to do is, it's really simple. You just take your fork, it's that simple. I totally annihilated it, but that's okay because look, the shell just came right off, the skin came right off. And we're just gonna take this and finely chop it. Actually, let's get the end off here, this hard part, because we're definitely not gonna use that. Let's move that off to the side. And then with our finger as a guide, we're just gonna finely chop the garlic, like so. Throw that out. Okay, let's go over it one more time. Use your finger as a guide. I just want small pieces, like so. Let's go over that one more time. And I think that's fine, so we're going to move that off to the side. And now we have our onion, and it's easy to get little diced pieces. We just take our knife and cut across like so. Then we're going to turn it this way and we're going to cut across what we just cut. And then just turn it on its side and cut right down, and there you have it, our diced onions. Let's get one more down here. Okay, wonderful. So I'm going to finish cutting up this onion here. I'm not going to use all of it, probably just maybe another couple of layers. And I will see you on the next step.